In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Python file in Jupyter Notebook. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to make a Py file show up in your Jupyter environment so you can use its functions inside a notebook. Start on your computer and open Jupyter Notebook. That takes you to the Jupyter file browser, which lists the folders and files in your current working directory. Keep this browser tab open. We'll come back to it in a moment. Next, locate the Python file you want to use. Open your system's file explorer and navigate to the folder where that .py file lives. If you're not sure which file you need, look for the one that contains the functions or classes you plan to reuse. Now move that Python file into the same folder Jupyter is showing. You can drag and drop if your setup allows it, or copy and paste the file using your operating system's file explorer. The key idea is that the .ei file needs to sit alongside your notebook or inside a subfolder you can reach from that folder, so Jupyter's Python kernel can find it. Return to the Jupyter browser tab. If the file doesn't appear right away, give it a second or click the refresh button in the top toolbar. Once it shows up in the list, you know the notebook's environment can see it. At this point, you can work with the file like any other module. In a notebook cell, import it by using the module name that matches the file name without the .py extension. If you rename the file, avoid spaces and special characters to keep imports smooth. And if you've made changes to the .py file but don't see them reflected, try restarting the kernel or using an import reload in your session. That's it. Your Python file is now ready to be imported and used inside Jupyter.